Hi there. In today's lesson, you learned a routine to help you spell new words. So for your activity, you are going to get a list of words on a card from your teacher, and you are going to practice spelling those words using these letters up here, and you're going to do that for each word 3 times. So I'm going to start with the word famous. I'm going to go through and find the letters for famous, and I'm going to bring them down here to my workspace. Now that I have all the words for famous, I'm going to go through and I'm going to check them one by one, saying the letters to match. So F, F, A, M, M, O, O, U, U, S, S. If I'm correct, then I'm going to put all the letters back somewhere at the top, and I am going to redo that process 2 more times with the word famous, and then I'm going to start the process over with the other words on my list. So I would grab the letters for famous again, build the word famous down here, check the word famous letter by letter, put the letters back up at the top, and rebuild that same word a 3rd time. Do that for each word on the card that your teacher gives you.